All right, guys, here we are. This is another car that I bought about a month and a half ago. I bought it because Reef blue. 100% honest. If it had been white, I wouldn't even looked at it. But it's a 92. It's not an original Reef blue car, but it's good enough for what I was looking for. Live on a gravel road. Y'all seen Froghorn Leghorn, so you know my expectations on paint and body. Anyway, the car looks pretty good at about 20 feet up close. It needs a paint job, but we're not painting it. We're racing it. It is street legal. It does have classic tags. I don't have them on there right now, but making a few modifications to the car. 92 Fox body. It's got a 6-point little roll bar in it. I'll give y'all a little rundown. It's stock interior. Nothing on the dash. It's all gone. Small block Chevrolet, hydraulic roller, Vortec block, 60 over, cast pistons, dished, cheap, should be in a farm truck. It does have a set of Edelbrock E-street heads on them. They're probably 70 cc's, so you do the math on that compression. It might have to stretch to get to 9 to 1. Runs good on 93, runs good on 87. It's got premium in it right now. I'll give you a little walk around, show you the car, what we're dealing with. But for me, it's a nice little car. Want to do a little intro to the car. We're going to post this thing, and then we'll video everything at the track. Y'all stand by for the next clip. All right, guys, here it is running. Small block Chevrolet. Pretty mild build, about 9 to 1 compression. It's a big carburetor. Jet it down, it still runs real fat at idle. Motor was built by Machine Head Race Engines over in Leander, Cedar Park, something like that. Has swing outs on it. They are removable. I've got the driver's side out right now while I'm messing around with it. I'm gonna have to clean that wiring up. That's not gonna do for me. Reverse lockout neutral safety switch was broke, so I want to go to the track tonight, so that's what we got. But it works, so there's that. I got a buddy, Jay Baker, does a lot of chassis work. I sent him a picture of that, and he goes, "You must have been an electrician." But anyway, here we are. Got the hood off. Fixing to drop the coolant out of it because it does have antifreeze in it right now. Gonna let it run a little bit, cycle temperature, sit out here, cool off, and then we'll drop the antifreeze out. Put regular water in it. At the track, they won't let you run no antifreeze, or they frown on it if you spill it on the track, so we're not going to do that. But want to give you a little walk around of the car. It's got corbos in it. I don't like them. I'm a big fat dude, 270 pounds sitting in that thing. It's not comfortable, but that's what we're going with. I will put the door bar back in it when we're on the track, but sitting here idling right now. Let's say we're idling about 1200. 50 pounds of oil pressure. We're at about 170 degrees. Got the alternator wired up. It wasn't wired up correctly when I got the car, but we got that fixed. Alternator's running good. Little car sitting there thumping the ground. Y'all stand by for the next clip. All right, guys. Let's do a little walk around of this thing. Show you what we're dealing with. Got swing outs on both sides. Pull the pin. The bottom just swivels. So pull the pin out. It's just in a bigger piece of pipe down there. It's kind of hard to see. It's sunny and hot, but cage is purple. I don't know. Car might have been purple at one time, but for me, it's Reef blue. Uh, it's got some gauges. I replaced the gauges that was in here. It had some real small ones. Got an autometer tack. Got a shift light sitting up there on the dash. Let me pop this camera out of here, or I don't know if you can see that. That's a 5800 chip. So you see where we're gonna shift this car. Gas pistons. Now you're gonna see it does have a bottle on it. Right now, let's get the old trunk prop here. We're gonna fix that. Batteries in the trunk, little bitty fuel cell, giggle juice, nitrous outlet. You can see it's disconnected and taped off. So is the line. Here it is. I'm not running it, but it's got a nice setup. It's got a bottle heater. Anyway, frames tied, Southside machine bars, adjustable uppers, Mickey Thompson stiff walls, 28-10-5s, 390 gear and an 8.8 with a spool, 31 spline, 5 lug converted. These gauges up here, I redid these. He had a nitrous gauge up here, and that was it. So he had no way to see fuel pressure from the car. So I went to a triple pod instead of a single. I mounted it, screwed it to the top here. They had it taped, which it worked. It's got nitrous pressure and nitrous fuel pressure if I ever decide to use it. And the one on the far left is NA fuel pressure. It's got a MagnaFuel 500 pump. It's got big fuel line run all the way to the front. It's got the big MagnaFuel log with 2 twin regulators. There's the solenoids. It is a, I don't know what the heck that is. Weekend Warrior plate, whatever that is. I hadn't even looked it up because I didn't plan on using it. But that's an E85 carburetor that's been jetted down to run on pump gas. They didn't change the metering plates on it, so it runs fat at idle, but that's okay. The engine builder, I talked to him. He said the motor was built to run a 75 shot. They were trying to run 7.0 index. He said the best the cars win is 740s NA. They never sprayed it. He wasn't the owner of the car. His buddy owned it. So I bought it from his buddy. Track in San Antonio shut down. He was pretty close to that track. Didn't have a place to go. He's retired like me, but he's wanting to do some fishing. He's got a boat, yada, yada. But anyway, electric water pump, electric fan on front and rear. It's got a trans cooler with a fan on it down there. Proform, cheap water pump. Like I said, Vortec block. E-street heads. Air Gap. That's a 850. E85 carburetor. It's been jetted down for little bitty street motor. Caster camber plates. It's got coilovers on the front. Mickey drag fronts on it. Nice little car. Like I said, I can put street tires on it, drag radials. I got a set in there. Throw some drag radials on it. I took it to my buddy over there in Hearn, Texas, at the muffler shop, and got me some turn downs. Actually, I'm going to put a picture of the exhaust on here, right here in this spot. You'll get to see it. The headers had a slip coupling on it and the extension. He took all that crap off, put me some 3-inch V-bands on it, welded it up. 3-inch Flowmasters dumped. So what little hearing I got left, I won't lose when I'm sitting in the car. It's not near as loud as that thing. But we're going to fix that one too. But anyway, that's what we're working with. Y'all stand by for the next clip.
Okay, guys. Well, we didn't make the TNT. Had to go to Cameron to get a title straightened out on another car. Got back late. Wife's working late. Still need to set the timing on this car. Had to load the trailer. A lot of excuses. Didn't make it. Plus, we get a little mist and rain now, so it's about an hour for me. It looks clear that way, but who knows? So, not going to make test and tune with the car. We are going to go ahead and set the time and finish it. We're going to look at the nitrous jets that are in it. I have no idea where they're at now. But I'm going to go ahead and get this video out. You can see the car. But when we do take it to TNT, you will get to see it. We'll have some GoPros strapped on it. See how slow this thing will go. Maybe we'll have a little in-car too. Boring, no clutch pedal, you know, it's automatic. So you got that. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on our channel. We got a lot of cars, got a lot of things going on. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.